of Lutong Barkada. I'm Marie.
And I'm Joy.
And today we will be cooking kare kare. Do you know that the word kare kare came from the word curry? And this is one of the favorite dishes of the Filipinos.
So today, ito ang mga sangkap sa ating lulutuin ngayon. Ito, we do have oxtails, tripe, at ito yung mga gulay na kailangan natin. So we do have bokchoy, pero pwede din kayong gumamit ng pechay, talong or eggplant, sitaw or string beans, and onion.
And in here, we melted some peanut butter. At ito ang pinaka-importanteng sangkap ng kare kare, which is ground peanuts. And then we also dissolved some achuete, rice flour, which we toasted a little bit, and some garlic. And at the end, you will need some salt and pepper. And of course, we need oil. And lastly is the bagoong. Yan ang paborito ko. Yan, nilagay natin ang oxtail sa pressure cooker. Lagyan ng konting salt and pepper para lang may lasa. Kung wala naman kayong pressure cooker, gumamit na lang kayo ng pot. Pwede rin yun. Ngayon, pinapakuluan natin ang tripe. We added some salt and pepper at pakuluan hanggang lumambot. Cover it and wait. Eto na, magigisa na tayo. Put some oil. And garlic. Dinagdag natin ang onion and wait for it until it gets translucent. Ngayon, pag translucent ng onions, add the oxtails. Yan ang masarap. Wow! Talagang nagsisizzle pa. Now we add some water. Yan. Naku. And boil.
Yes, we need to boil it.
So, hintayin lang natin yan kumulo. Ngayon naman, ihahalo natin ang dinosolve nating peanut butter. Ooh, looks yummy.
Yum.
Okay, and there you go.
We'll mix it a little bit.
Ilagay ang dinikdik na mani. At ihalo-halo. There you go. We will add the lightly toasted rice flour to thicken. And then mix again. So add that achuete for coloring. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda na ng kulay kasi dinagdag na ang achuete and now we're adding the tripe. Luto na to eh. So, pwede na yan sa huli.
Thank you guys for watching our first episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below.
And kung meron kayong gusto ipaluto, just put it in the comment box. And if you want to get notified every time we post a brand new video, just hit the bell button below. Bye!